Hey guys, we are at the Flamingo Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. 14th floor, we're in the Spa Towers, 14009. So this is one of the more recently renovated rooms. So when you first come in, here is the shower. The amenities are up on the wall. Blow dryer, same thing. Makeup mirror. I really like the design behind the mirror, it's pretty. And here's like a closet with some drawers, ironing board, a little luggage rack, there's some hangers. So this is the king bedroom, and it's high roller view. Let's see what's in here. You got drawers, safe, mini fridge. I love that that's included. Little seating area. How cute is this lamp? Adorable. And on the side, with pretty much everything, it's like these little ports and the plugs. There's also one on the side of here as well. And we're probably not going to be able to tell because we have all the lights on. But here's the view of the Flamingo and Link Harris. There's the high roller. I'll have to take some pictures during the day. And the pool. And I will take more photos of the property and attach it to this video. But here's the room so far. Very nice. We like it a lot.